if you want to work around with graphics or motion graphics inside of Davinci Resolve, then what you can do is you can work around with Fusion composition. So to do that, over here, I am on the edit page. As you can see, I'm just going to go around and create a new timeline first right here. So within the timeline, what you can do is you can create Fusion compositions. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the effects section right here. And on the effects, I'm just going to go around and hit the set icon. And then I'm going to type in Fusion right here. So once I go around and do that, over here from the toolbox, you can see Fusion composition is an option. So if I were to bring this in right here, then there you go. This is the Fusion composition right here within the timeline. I can resize this, and this is where you can add in the motion graphics. If I were to go around over here, click and drag this out, then you can see I can add in another composition over here as well. So my timeline cursor is right around over here. So I'm just going to select this Fusion composition. And once I do that, I can go around onto the Fusion tab, as you can see right here. Then you get all of the Fusion controls over here. So you can work around with text and everything and work around with different effects. So over here, first of all, once you make a Fusion composition, the first thing that you might want to do is add in a background. And Fusion is node-based editing by default. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, the background, then a background node is added in. But what I need to do is I need to connect the background with the media out, and that is where we see the output. So to do that, I'm just going to click and drag the background right here onto the media output right here, and you can see that it is black. If I were to go around onto the background over here on the right hand side, you can see that I can change around the background color right here and even work around with the transparency and add in alpha right here, just like this. There are other options as well, but that is something that we're going to see in upcoming videos. So this is the background color that we set right here. And if I were to go around, you can see that the background color is here for this Fusion composition right here. Let me just go around onto the other Fusion composition. And once this is selected and my timeline cursor is here, let me just go around onto Fusion, and over here you can add in a different background right here. Let me just go around, set a color, but you don't see anything right here. That is because the background is not connected to media out. So I do need to connect it out on the node view right here. And there you go. This is what you have right here. So I can go around onto the background section, and I can add in an alpha channel for this as well to make it a bit transparent. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You got two Fusion compositions right here. I can go around, drag it to the top, and I can see that since this is transparent, you can actually see it below right here. You see the color mixes up, and there you go. There's the color again over here. So that is how you can go around and then work around with Fusion composition and add in background in nodes inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.